What's up, fellas? Welcome to the garage. What's up, fellas? What's up, fellas? Welcome to the garage. So we're continuing on with our multiple Ford Escort barn find. More specifically, we're still getting all the Escorts back home. In this episode, we'll be taking a look at another two Mk2 Escorts. One a 4-door model and the other one a beautiful 2-door version. Oh, by the way, you might notice the difference between seasons, meaning the weather, the temperatures, the birds chirping between these clips. Well, that's because the present me is quite busy and these videos do take some time to make. So bear with me. But anyways, let's take a look at the Escorts. First, I picked up the 4-door. Now, as you can see, it has been crashed straight ahead in the front, as well as quite well rusted out underneath. Unfortunately, much of the 4-door Escort video material was lost in the process of managing the files. But then again, leaning on the previous notion, a little less video editing had to be done. Haha! So we'll do a bit of a fast forward here. Long story short, I've dealt with the brakes and just pulled the car onto the recovery truck. The brakes actually weren't that bad on this one, to be honest. There isn't really too much to say about this one. It was pretty much standard model, 1100cc engine, what seems to be perfectly good working gearbox, a reasonably well preserved interior, but quite trashed outside. As if the crash itself wasn't enough, supposedly some vandals have been jumping on the car and have broken the front windscreen as well as the rear lights. But it is what it is. So pretty much the same course of action as with the Mk2 Escort from the previous episode. Engine and the gearbox out, interior out, store all the useful stuff, and then just cut up the rest. Well, this one is a bit healthier than that Mk2 we started with, but these panels are still throwaway, if they are rusted like this, there's really no point of keeping them. So yeah, I got a bit more work here to do to really put this thing apart, and then off to the scrapyard. Well, maybe we can fix this roof. Let's give it a shot. It's still not perfect. I think we won't be keeping this one. I actually saved the complete rear end you see here, as it was surprisingly rust-free. I might use it in one of the Mk2 Escorts I'll be restoring. Alright, moving on to the 2-door. this one hasn't got a key inside, so that makes it impossible for the steering wheel to move. So that's a problem I'm dealing with here. But I will kind of try to force this wheel towards that side. Well, as you can see, this one has also been crashed. Not as heavily as the first one though. Actually, this one seems to be in pretty decent condition all in all. The interior is somewhat complete, the doors and the body panels are pretty straight, the wheels are moving. Well, the steering wheel is locked and there is a slight possibility it is totally rusted out in the bottom. But we do have to keep the optimism up here. Anyways, we'll lift it up and take a closer look in the following videos. And that's it for this time. If you enjoyed this kind of content, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more. And I'll see you in the next one. Be good!